Hey guys, today I'm going to be sharing 18 different Etsy Cricut graduation projects to sell. Now, I don't have any of these projects on hand, but we'll just show you graduation items you can make with your Cricut machine and sell. Now, if you want video tutorials on these projects, I'm sure you can find them online. I may end up making videos on a couple of these different projects, but I definitely will not be making videos on all of them. Also, I want to say that these projects are for inspiration only, so please add your own uniqueness or originality to your Cricut graduation projects. So let's jump right in. Okay, so the project that you see here are basically these canned glasses that come with a lid and come with a straw as well. You can also see that the Etsy shop owner tied some ribbon around those straws. Essentially, what they did was to add some adhesive vinyl to these glasses. I will add some links down below to some of the supplies so that you can recreate these projects for yourself as well. So be sure to look down below for those list of supplies. Again, with this, you can use a variety of color of adhesive vinyl. I'm just going to click over here so you can see the different types of vinyl options that the shop owner offers for those glasses. But again, just one project idea for you to consider. And again, you can share these projects in your, or you can sell these projects in your local community. So if you don't have an Etsy shop, that's okay. If you want to sell them on your social media platform, you can do that as well. So don't think that you need to set up an Etsy shop just to sell your projects, even though I do always encourage people to have an online presence either through Etsy or an online Shopify store. But again, if you want to sell these locally in your community, that's a great idea to do it as well. Be sure that you post on your social media. Okay. So that's the first project. We're going to move over to the second project, which are these personalized confetti. So essentially what you would do is to add the graduate's face to the graduation regalia. And with this, the confetti can be in a variety of different sizes. You can sell it in a variety of, you know, uh, quantity counts as well as like you can see what they have here. How many faces, you can do that as well. So again, essentially this would be a print then cut project with your Cricut machine, but again, you can have some fun with this. If you don't want to use the graduation regalia, you can use some other different things as well. So again, add your own uniqueness and individuality to this, okay? Moving on to the third project. So what you see here again is some confetti. With this confetti, you can see those graduation caps. You can see the name that's personalized, and you can also see the year for the graduate as well. So again, with this, you're using glitter cardstock. You're using just regular plain cardstock as well. And you can find cardstock in a variety of colors. These are just some pictures of how people can use that confetti or the shapes that you cut out as well. So again, get really clever with how you use this. And if you see these details up here, that's because I am using Everbee. Everbee is basically a plugin that allows you to see some details on different Etsy shops, Etsy orders and things like that. So if you're not subscribed to Everbee, look for that link down below so that you can try out Everbee for yourself. Okay, moving on, we're going to go to project number 4, which is this one right here. And essentially what this is just taking some gift bags and adding some adhesive vinyl to them. And then obviously, as you can see here, you can personalize them to include the graduation year, the graduate's name, whatever you want to include. Now, these gift bags do look a little bit more high scale, so you can find those on Amazon or any other online platform that you come across them. You can also use just regular like gift bags that you can find at like Dollar Tree or Michael's. So get real creative with this. And with this, again, you can use any color adhesive vinyl to add to these gift bags as well. And I will say that, depending on the size of the bag, you can charge differently. The bag color, you can find a lot of different variety of bag colors. And you can also sell these bags in quantities as well. So individual bags may sell a lot more or a lot faster, but some people may want to put these bags together for like a graduation party or something like that. So consider selling these bags in bulks or in quantities of like 6 or 10 or something like that as well. Okay, moving on to project number 5. What we have here are basically some candy wrappers. So with this is a print and cut Cricut project, and all you're doing is to, personalize the front, the back, or however the graduate wants it personalized. You can also add a picture here if you want to. This looks like those little small Hershey bars, like those little small miniature sizes. And as you can see that this Etsy shop seller has 18 different colors available. They also have some size options available again. As I stated before, definitely use this as inspiration, create your own for whatever feel or vibe that you're going for, but another great Cricut graduation project to sell. Okay, moving on to project number 6. Now, this project is and I'm probably going to say this incorrectly, a graduation Lee, personalized sash, essentially. Um, and with this, what you're using is some ribbon, and then you can also cut out the different numbers and things like that, using like HTV to kind of create, like the graduate's name or the graduation year as well. So this project does seem a little bit tedious. I'm not sure exactly how to make this project. I'm sure you can Google a video online and find it. But again, it's another cool project to sell. As you can see here, you can charge a pretty decent price for this as well. Definitely would consider getting like a lot of different color variations. So as you can see here, they have like a primary color, a secondary color. So yeah, be sure to check out this graduation project as well. Okay, moving on to number 7. So basically what these are graduation fans. This is another Cricut print and cut project. Obviously, depending on the size of the fan, Cricut may not be able to cut that image. So definitely consider that as well. You can include, different quantities as well. As you can see here, 5 fans, 10 fans, 15, 20. And then you can also choose a finish as well. It looks like they have a couple different design options for the customers to choose from. So this may be something that you definitely consider. Again, add your own uniqueness to this, your own individuality to this project. And I'm pretty sure that these will be one-sided, not double-sided, especially because you're using your Cricut machine, but definitely a great project to consider selling. Okay, let's move on. Number 8, what we have are basically these little toppers to go on like graduation mints or little mints that you can buy. So you can buy a bulk bag of these from like Sam's Club. I'm sure you can get them on Amazon as well. But essentially all that you would do is to just, staple or tape the little tag to the top of the mint. You can personalize these in a variety of different ways. And then you can also sell them based on the quantity. This is real cute for like a graduation party or a little graduation party favors that you can just drop into the bag. So again, this does not have to be hard, you guys. This right here is a print and cut project. Again, if you're thinking like, I don't want to sell online, you can sell them locally in your community. So if you know of people that are graduating this year, or if you know of, teachers in your community, build a relationship with them and take pictures of your project so that you can start sharing them and selling them online. Okay, let's move on to project number 9. So we have another can glass here, essentially same thing, just adding that name and the year, also adding, like the diploma and the graduation cap as well. So again, get creative with these projects. Doesn't have to be super hard for you all. Okay. So moving on to the next Cricut project, what we have here is a graduation 3D letter, and this is one of those projects that you can make with your Cricut machine as well. I'm just gonna click on that video so you can see what that looks like. It's 3D, so it definitely has some depth to it. And you can personalize this, class of whatever year it is, add the name of the graduate, add some other details to it as well. Here you can see you have a drop down for the letter. You also can change up like the sizes that you offer as well. So again, get creative. This is definitely a Cricut project. It's one of those paper crafts. I love paper crafts because they're very inexpensive. So get creative with this project idea. Okay. Gonna move on to the next project. What we have are some t-shirts now. Um, Two different ways to make these t-shirts. If you want to use heat transfer vinyl, you can definitely do that. I do not recommend doing that if you have a lot of different colors going on. Especially with shirts like this, it can be a little bit tedious, especially if you're making a whole bunch of those shirts. What I do recommend instead is for you to use DTF, which is direct to film transfer. Basically, you would print these designs or have a print shop to print these designs for you, and you just press them onto the shirts. If you don't have that many shirts that you're making, you can obviously use your Cricut machine and use some heat transfer vinyl to create these designs. So definitely a project that you should consider making as well. Okay, moving over to project number 12. This is a very simple project, but essentially what it is like a jewelry dish. All you need to do is to add some adhesive vinyl to the dish. As you can see, there's a graduation hat, graduation cap, there's the name, and then there's the university and the graduation year. Go on Amazon. I'll probably have links down below for the jewelry dishes that you can buy in bulk. Very simple project that you can sell. Okay. Moving on, we have this little label that can go onto like packages for treats, cookies, whatever. This is a print and cut project. So if you have a printer, you want to make a project like this, it's very easy for you to create. You can sell the stickers individually without the packaging, or you could already sell these stickers on the packaging. As you can see here, if you want the labels only, that's one cost. If you want the labels and the bags, that's an additional cost as well. So again, print them cut project that you can make with your Cricut machine. Okay, moving on, I have this senior bucket or personalized senior bucket project. And again, what this essentially is, you can go to Dollar Tree, get these bins, add, some text to it, add the graduate's name. You can see those can glasses over there as well. So if you want to create like a gift box, you can do that too. Or if you want to sell these items individually, you can do that as well. I'm pretty sure people would love to have like a gift box that's already made that they can purchase and just give to the graduate. So let's say that you wanted to use this box, you wanted to put this glass in there, you wanted to put like, some chips and some candies, maybe a keychain or some of the other projects that I've shown you already. You could do that and just sell it as a bundle, just sell it as a gift box. And I'm sure that you would have a lot of sales for that because with that, the customer is just buying something that's already made and just gifting it to the graduate, and it's personalized as well. And you can never go wrong with that. Okay, so moving on to the next project, we have basically graduation party favors. So this right here is a design file, and once you purchase it, you'll get a link to go to Canva and kind of make some of this stuff for yourself. But as I was just saying about the graduation gift box, you can create some of this stuff right here and put it in that gift box, or you can create these things and sell them individually. So the chip bags, obviously you don't need your printer for that, but like water bottles, the juice pouches, Pringle cans, any of those different types of projects, you can, some of them you will need your Cricut machine, others you won't. If you have a paper trimmer, you can also use that to kind of cut out some of these things, especially those things that are like rectangular or square, but just another idea for you as you're thinking about how to make some money for this graduation season. Okay, moving on, I have this graduation wine bottle label. If you want to, or if someone wants to gift the graduate with, a bottle of wine or even liquor for that matter, you can literally print and cut a label to go on the bottles that they want. They can choose their own size. They can also choose how many labels they want. So that's a great option as well. Print and cut project, super, super easy to make and an easy way to make some money. Okay, moving on. We only have a couple items left. So the next one is this it's basically like an exploding box or like a exploding box that's like a pop-up card at the same time. So I'm just going to click on this video so you can see what that looks like. So if you're someone that enjoys creating with paper, this may definitely be a project that you consider making. I'm sure you can find an SVG file for this project, somewhere on Etsy or even in Cricut Design Space. Very, very cute project. You can personalize it with the graduate's name, the graduation year, and things like that. And finally, the last project that I have is a clear acrylic graduation sign. Now, with this, all you need is that adhesive vinyl. You need the the acrylic sign as well. As you can see, they have different options, size options that are available. And you can, outside of adding the adhesive vinyl, you can also add like some flowers at the top, or you can just sell the sign as is. But yeah, another great opportunity to just come up with different ways to sell different Cricut creations. So I'll also be doing a video on design space Cricut graduation projects to sell. So be on the lookout for that. If you have any favorite projects that I share with you in this video today, be sure to comment them down below. Or if you think you'll be selling any of these projects, comment down below and let me know which projects you intend on selling for this upcoming graduation season. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave those down below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.